Here we'll look at how you can create a new cloud server using 20iCloud, Amazon Web Services, or the Google Cloud Platform. From your My 20i account, head to Add Cloud Server. This is where you'll configure your cloud server for the type of website or app you want to host. Remember, any cloud server from 20i is fully managed, so we take complete care of the server admin. Firstly, give your new server a name. This can be anything you like and is for display purposes only and can easily be changed later. Choose the server optimization you want to use. These provision an optimized server instance to get the best performance for your workload. Next, choose what platform you want your cloud server to be provisioned on. AWS and GCP offer some larger instance sizes, but for the best value server, we'd recommend 20iCloud. Choose your server specification. This will vary depending based on your intended use case for the server, but for a production-ready website or application, a server with 4 GB of RAM is a good starting point. Choose the location you'd like your server to be provisioned in. AWS and GCP offer a wider range of available regions. Please note that 20iCloud comes with the 20i CDN to ensure fast global performance. Finally, select if you'd like Timeline Backups Pro, which ensures your emails are backed up. Then select Deploy Cloud Server. Your server will be built to your configuration and deployed quickly. If you need further assistance, feel free to get in touch with our sales team, who will be happy to help.